Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the Samsung DA32-10109W replacement refrigerator temperature sensor at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This replacement sensor is an essential component designed to maintain the ideal temperature inside your Samsung refrigerator, helping keep your food fresh longer. Manufactured by Wholesale Sensors, a reputable USA-based company, this product comes with a reassuring 12-month warranty, ensuring quality and reliability for your peace of mind. This temperature sensor is compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models, including RF197ACRS, RF217ACWP, RF261BZR, RF263AEBP, RS265TDRS, RF268ABRS, RF28FEDSR, RF30BEDSR, and RF31FMESBSR, among others. However, it's important to verify compatibility with your specific model before purchasing to ensure seamless integration. One of the standout advantages of this replacement sensor is its precise temperature regulation, which is vital for maintaining optimal food preservation. The 12-month warranty from Wholesale Sensors adds an extra layer of confidence, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to quality. Additionally, being a product from a USA manufacturer often means faster customer support and adherence to high manufacturing standards. On the downside, while the sensor is compatible with many models, users must double-check their refrigerator's model number to avoid purchasing an incompatible part. Also, installation might require some technical know-how or professional assistance, which could be a consideration for those who prefer DIY solutions. Overall, the Samsung DA32-10109W replacement refrigerator temperature sensor offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for maintaining the performance of your Samsung refrigerator. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in upgrading your fridge's temperature control system.